Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifeyi Artistry. If this is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always watching my videos, and God bless you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this subtle nude lips. Okay guys, so first of all I started with applying this lip stain. This is a Debbyluster lip stain in the shade Beige. Yeah, that's the shade. So I started by applying it. This lip stain is actually very thick, but it actually gives me, like, I love it because, like, this lip stain is very good, honestly. So I started with applying it first. So I apply it on in the center of her lips, and after applying that I go over with the Becharmageless Cosmetics lip stain in the shade Nude. You can see the one that is nude, right? So I run over it as well on top of the Debbyluster. This nude one from Becharm is very creamy. It's not as thick as the Debbyluster. So I asked my client to smack the two of them. She smacked, and this was the result that we got. Okay guys, so after that I mixed my Choco lip stain and the Gorgeous. That's from Becharmageless Cosmetics, the two of them in the shades Choco and Gorgeous. So when I mix the both of them together, this is what I got. So when I mix it, I begin to applied. I use that to line. I begin to use it to line, but the lining this time I'm just overlining her lips, and I'm just trying to make sure it's at a place. Like, I'm not going to bring the lining inwards because this I want this nude lips to just be very neat. I don't want much of this lining sheet. I just want to define it basically. If not, I would have just gone with just that nude like that, because I wanted to achieve that, like, very nude, if you know what I mean. Okay guys, so I begin to line, just lining and just, you know, getting the line. I'm trying to make sure that the brown color is not getting into the nude basically. Okay guys, so after doing that after doing that I begin to blend it out. I use my brush and I begin to blend. So before I blend, I ask my client to smile. You know what smiling does? Smiling is going to make her lips firm and ready and good for you to blend. So for some funny reasons, the brown lip stains I added, I don't know why I left it there for a while before I begin to blend. Not because of me lining it, no. I think I left it to do something. And when I came back to blend it, it was already a bit thick. A bit dried up, not just because of that as well. Equally, the nude shade that I applied, remember the Debbyluster is very thick, so it's already dried up. So I was finding it difficult in blending, but for some reasons as well, I love that because I wanted it to not really blend so easily. Okay guys, so after that I go ahead again with the Debbyluster, added the Debbyluster, and I added the Becharmageless Cosmetics lip stain in the shade Nude, and I asked my client to smack. So she continued to smack and I continued to blend. And guys, one thing you have to equally find out is this, like, smacking lips helps you a lot when it comes to blending, especially when probably you know how to smack. You can actually teach your colleagues. So you see the way she's smacking now, I'm the one that told her to smack that way. Like, you have to smack so that I want the lip stains to get to everywhere, because just blending with brush cannot help you all through. Sometimes the client smacking helps a lot. It helps you with blending it evenly without any issues or any complications. I don't know if you get me, because if you continue running with brushes, somehow brush can actually start making it to pull out, or like anything. At this point of blending, I am beginning to fall in love with the outcome of this look, because this is actually what I want. Yeah, I love how natural and how nude this is. Okay guys, so after that, because I want to lift her lips. You guys already know how I lift lips, right? So I begin to run through the upper parts of the, like, the, sorry, what is it called, the lining. I just have to run through that again with the shade, the shade I used to line. So I'm just running through that. It's because I want to lift that place. I told you guys how to lift, right? Yeah. So when you want to lift, just after all the blending and everything, just run through with your lining shade again, so the lips is going to have that effect of, you know, kind of being lifted from the upper part. Yeah, that's just a trick. Okay guys, so after doing that, I asked my client to equally smack again, and this smacking, like, oh, everything is going to like be making everything just making sense. I love it. Oh god, I love it. I love it. Just me looking at it now is just making me fall in love with the lips again, because like I didn't want to like really upload these lips and explain it this way, but I think I love this lip so much. I love it so much. It's one of my best nude lips things I've actually done, and my clients loved it a lot. Okay guys, so after that I begin to apply my gloss. I applied the lip gloss like everywhere evenly, and I'm just using a normal clear gloss, and the clear gloss I use actually makes sense for these lips. I don't know, for some reasons I just love it. I love that I use a clear gloss here, and yeah, I love the outcome of this. So I'm equally trying to make sure that the clear gloss is not too much, so I'm going ahead to, you know, remove the excess. You can see like I'm just using the remaining one and I'm removing it and making sure everything is cool, everything is perfect, guys. I love this lip. This is the end. This is oh my god, I love this lips. It looks like more like her skin. It looks more like very natural. It looks as if nothing is there. But that is it. Okay guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, put on your post notifications, because I am going to be dropping more banger for you guys, and I hope you love it. See you next time. Bye.